Now we are taking 10th question. The 17th term of an AP is 7 more than the 10th term of an AP. 10th term, find the common difference. So it's very easy, don't worry. Let's begin with the solution. Children, we will say let A be the first term and D be the common difference. A be the first term and D be the common difference. So T17 is going to be, I know with the formula, Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. So T17 is going to be A plus 17 minus 1 into D, and T17 will now be A plus 16D. After this, T10 will be A plus 10 minus 1 into D. T10 is A plus 9D. 10 minus 1 will become 9. Now this is T17 and T10. According to given condition, T17 minus T10 is 7. The 17th term of an AP is 7 more than the 10th term. This is 7 more than this term. Means difference is 7. If I write T17 as A plus 16D minus T10 as A plus 9D, what I am getting is 7. Here A plus 16D minus A 9D is 7. Dear children, we are here opening the bracket, so the sign will change. Minus A and plus A will get cancelled. 16D minus 9D will become 7D. So D will become 7 by 7, that is 1. So here comes common difference is what? 1. Which is your answer? We can write our answer. Common difference D equals to 1. So children, here you have completed your exercise 3.2. Let's begin with the next exercise. We will meet in the next video. By that time, keep on practicing. All the best. Starting 3.3. This is the first question. They are telling you the first term of an AP is this and the common difference is this, and we are supposed to find S27. Now what is the meaning of S27? S27 represents sum of the 27 terms. Means, if suppose we have written 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this, what is the answer if I add all these terms? This is an AP. Here A is 2. Here common difference is 4 minus 2, which is 2. They are asking you to sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. For example, it means they are asking you S20, S5. S means summation plus. If you add all these, what will be your answer? Children, for this we have got a very standard formula. Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula what we are going to use. Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us see. If I add, what I am getting? 2 and 4, 6, 6 and 6, 12, 12 and 8, 20, 20 and 10, 30. Now let's see whether our formula is also giving us the same answer. Let's put the values. Sn. What is n? N is 5. N is 5. I am writing here 5. 2a. A is what? A is 2. 5 minus 1. Common difference is 2. I am putting all the values. A is 2. N value is 5. Common difference is 2. Sn is going to be 5 by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 5 minus 1 4. 4 2 ja 8. Sn is 5 by 2. 8 and 4 12. 2 6 ja 12. Sn is 5 into 6, which is 30. Agree, children? So this is the formula. Now what we are going to use. Let's see how this formula is going to help us in solving this question. In this question, the first term of an AP is given us as first term of this AP is 6, means A value is 6. Common difference is 3. N is 27. N is 27. Sn means S27 they are asking. We will write for the given arithmetic progression. These are the information. Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is this much. Now we will be putting all the values. Sn is n. N is what? 27 by 2. 2a. 2 into a. Plus n minus 1. N is what? 27 into d. D is what? 3. Just we are substituting the given values. A is 6, N is 27, D is 3. So Sn is now going to be 27 by 2, 2 6 12, 27 minus 1 is 26, 26 into 3. Sn is going to be 27 by 2. Children, if I am taking 2 common, this 12 will become 6, 26 will become 13. It's like this. Now see what I did in this step. From here I can take 2 common, means 26 I can write as 13 into 2. Now we are having here 2 terms, first and the second. When we take common, we take out same number from here as well as from here. From 12, 2 has gone, now 6 is remaining. From here 2 has gone, 13 and 3 is remaining. I will show you it with detail. it is like this. Here I was having 2 into 6. Here I was having 26 into 3. Now this 26 I am writing as 13 into 2. Now children, from first and from second, if I am taking 2 outside, here what will remain? 6. Here what will remain? 13 and 3. This is known as taking common. We have taken something common. Now 2 and 2 you can cancel. Sn is 27. 6 plus 13, 3 39. Sn is 27. 39 plus 6, 45. Now Sn is going to be 27 into 45. If we do this multiplication, 27 into 45, 3, 5, 2 are 10, 13, 10, 5, 11, 2, 1. So Sn is going to be 1215. This is our answer. So children, in this question they are asking, find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Children, here we are supposed to first write the arithmetic progression. So the given sequence is actually the even natural numbers. Even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6 and so on. And find the sum of the first 123. Like this, how many terms are there? There are 123 terms. This is first, this is second, this is third. Like that, there are 123 terms. And children, one thing you must notice, every term is obtained by writing 2n. If first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is double of 3, so definitely last term is going to be double of 123, that is 246. So here we are getting our sequence. We will now write, children, here in the solution the given sequence is, what is the given sequence? 2, 4, 6 dot up to 246. So these are the even natural numbers. T1, T2, T3, like that. It is going up to the T123. We have to now write A, which is T1, which is 2. T2 is 4, T3 is 6, and so on. And so on. Now common difference, T2 minus T1 is 4 minus 2, which is 2. Also T3 minus T2 is 6 minus 4, which is 2. Now we will write, since common difference is constant, hence it is an AP. Now we have to find sum of 123 terms. So n value is 123. Sn formula is what? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now children, n by 2 is 123 by 2, 2a. A is what? A is 2. N 123 minus 1 into D. D is what? D is 2. Sn is 123 by 2. Now 2 is present in this term, also present in this term. So the best method, you take these 2 as a common. So I will take these 2 common. Inside there will be this 2 plus 123 minus 1, which is 122. Now we can cancel. Sn is going to be 123. 2 plus 122 is 144. Oh, 124. Now, children, we will multiply Sn equals to 123 into 124, and thereafter we will write our answer. After multiplication, you will get the answer 15252. So do the calculation and confirm your answer. So children, what actually they were asking us, find the sum of the first 123 even natural number. So what you can do, you just write even numbers, 2, 4, 6. Like this, there are so many terms. Even if last time you are not writing, no problem. But you have written that these are the even natural numbers. Then you prove that it is an AP. Because once if you have proved that it is AP, then only you are entitled to use the formula. So now we are using here formula. This is what? Formula. And thereafter substituting all the values, now we got our answer. Regarding any point, children, if you have got any query, any doubt, you please write in the box, write in the WhatsApp. Even my number is there. You can WhatsApp me. I am waiting for your queries. In this question, they are asking you to find the sum of all even natural numbers between 1 to 350. First of all, we have to write the sequence. So the given sequence is 2, 4, 6, so on. Now last even number, find the sum of all even natural numbers between. Between means it has to be less than 350. Of course 350 is an even number, but you have to take between, something which is inside, not up to. Be very careful. Between 1 to 350. So last number is going to be 348 and not the 350, because they are asking only for the numbers which are in between. Now children, we say that this is T1, T2, T3 and this goes as a nth number. We will write here A as 2, which is also T1, T2 is 4, T3 is 6. Now you write D, T2 minus T1, 4 minus 2 is 2. Also T3 minus T2, 6 minus 4, which is also 2. Now you write, since difference is constant, hence it is a arithmetic progression. Since the difference is constant, hence it is what? It is a arithmetic progression. Now children, we will say that let there are n terms in the given AP. In this AP there are n terms, and that n we have to find. And we have to find the sum of those n terms. Find the sum of all even natural numbers which are between this to this. So before finding that sum, first thing what you have to calculate is the number n. How many terms are there? So children, we will say that Tn is 348. Now you say that Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. The last term is 348. That last term can also be obtained by using this formula. So if I write a plus n minus 1 into d as 348, by substituting the values, a as 2, n is unknown, d is again 2, 348. Now children, if suppose I write this n minus 1 into 2 as it is, this 2 I am taking to other side, 348 minus 2, now it will become n minus 1 into 2 equals to 346, n minus 1 equals to 346 by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 3 ja 6, n minus 1 is 173, n is 173 plus 1, n is 174. So the value of n is how much? 174. There are 174 numbers in between 1 to 350, and all those numbers are even numbers. All those numbers are what? Even numbers. Now children, in the second part we have to find the sum. Sn is what? Now we have to find sum of, I will write this way, sum of 174 this kind of the numbers. 2, 4, 6 like this. There are 174 terms, and we have to now plus them. And for sum, we have got a special formula. What is that formula? That formula is Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now children, Sn 174 equals to 174 by 2. This n is what? 174. First of all, substitute the values. A is what? 2. N is 174. D value is again 2. Now children, 2 is present in the first term. 2 is also member of the second term. So 2 is present as a factor in both the terms. So 2 I can take common. So after taking that 2 common, 174 by 2, here these 2 will remain. 174 minus 1 will become 173, and since I have taken 2 out, it will be cancelled. Now sum of 174 is going to be 174 into 175. 30450. Dear children, do the multiplication and confirm the answer. Okay, so let's move for the next question. We have given that in an arithmetic progression, 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. Find the sum of the first 56 terms. It's very easy question. Here they have given you in an AP 19th term. So we will write in the given AP T19 is 52 and T38 is 128. This is given information. This is given. You know that Tn is always A plus n minus 1 into D. That is the formula for Tn. Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now children, I can write T19 is going to be A plus 19 minus 1 into D. Or I can say that, so A plus 18D is nothing but T19 and A plus 18D is nothing but T19 is what? 52. Say this is first. On the same line, you can say that T38 is going to be A plus 38 minus 1 into D. A plus 37D is going to be 128. Say this as 2. Now from second you subtract the first one. So A plus 37D is going to be 128. A plus 18D is going to be 52 minus, change the sign. Now here 17 minus 8 comes out as 9. 2 minus 1, 1. And again here 8 minus 2, 6. 12 minus 5, 7. D is going to be 76 by 90. 19 4 ja 76. So D value comes out as 4. This way we have calculated D. Now substitute this value in any of the equation. A plus 18D is 52. Put D equals to 4. So A plus 18 into 4 equals to 52. Now A plus 18 4 ja 72 equals to 52. A equals to 52 minus 72. A comes out as minus of 20. That is the value of A. Now children, they are asking us, find the sum of the first 56 terms. To know the sum of the first 56 terms, we will use the formula Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is going to be, we will write this way, for n equals to 56, because they are asking you to calculate for 56 terms. N equals to 56. As 56 is 56 by 2, 2a. What is the value of a? Tell me. A is minus 20. As I told you, multiplication and minus, these two mathematical signs are coming together. You have to put the bracket. So plus n is what? 56 minus 1 into what is d? D value is nothing else but 4. Now children, as 56 we are calculating, 56 by 2 is here. Now as usual, but we will adopt this time a different technique. 2 into 20 will become minus 40. 56 minus 1 will be 55, and then 55 into 4. Now 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16. So children, here we are getting S56 equals to 28 minus 50 minus it is 40 plus 220. So S56 is going to be 28 into, this is going to be 180. 5040. Do the multiplication and confirm it. So children, here we have completed this question. Let's have a review on this. First, 19th term was given, 38th term was given. We used the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. And after this, then we solved it by simultaneous equation method. We got the value of a and got the value of d, and thereafter they were asking sum of the 56 terms, first 56 terms. So in order to calculate their sum, we wrote Sn as n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and by writing that we have just completed it. So let's move for the next.